Very good morning to all my dear six students, class six students. Yesterday I was give this chapter for reading, that is Unit One, Endanger. Let's start. Endangered guest. What the mean of endangered here? Okay, I'll just tell you. Whenever we talk about endangered means it's in danger of becoming extinct मतलब कि अपने अस्तित्व को खतरा होना. ओके. Endangered guest. The beaches of Orissa provide one of the last nesting ground in the world for the endangered olive ridley turtles. Read a newspaper report. अब जो that is a story, that is not a story, that is not and that is not any chapter. It is a true story, and everything available on YouTube and Google regarding this story, that 15 more than 15,000 turtles crawled from seashore at from seashore to lay their egg, and they are very punctual. The olive ridley turtles are very punctual and have very fixed time to lay their eggs. So Bhubaneswar 19 February 2006, the annual March nesting of the endangered olive ridley sea turtles has started at the Rushikula beach in Odisha's Ganjam district. Where we found it? Rushikula beach in Odisha's Ganjam district. About 15,000 turtles crawl ashore to lay their eggs on a 2-kilometer stretch of the beach. The mass nesting, which started at midnight on Thursday, continued through the morning. Hundreds of turtles were laying eggs by dawn. Olive ridleys have stuck to their timetable, so to say. अब जो इसमें क्या बताया गया है कि ऋषिकला जो बीच है उस पर हम लोगों को ये टर्टल्स मिलते हैं. Not in Rushikila, there are one or two more beach at Orissa where we found that type of olive ridley turtles. Here about 15,000 turtles crawled ashore to lay their egg. Means अपने egg देने के लिए वो अपने सी के किनारे को छोड़ के वो अपने किनारों पे आ गए, जो कि सी से 2 किलोमीटर्स दूर था. वहाँ पे आ गए एंड दे स्टार्टेड मास नेस्टिंग एट मिडनाइट ऑन थर्सडे, और जो कि इनका कंटिन्यू प्रोसेस रहा. कब तक? मॉर्निंग तक रहा. 100 of turtle were laying egg by dawn. Olive Ridley has stuck to their timetable, so to say. Olive Ridley have very fixed time to doing anything, and they very stuck to their timetable. So like to say, means whenever they decide they do something, then they did. Okay. And the word mass nesting here is, mass nesting means in a large scale, turtles laying their eggs, मतलब कि अंडे देने का बहुत बड़ा प्रोसीजर. So, in the end, I would like to say that the biggest reason I think most species become, and most not olive ridley turtle, most of the species become endangered is loss of their natural habitat due to development. As forests are cut down, rivers dammed or diverted, and open land paved over, these animals no longer have safe place in which to live, breed, or find food. So I hope my dear students, you all understand about this. And in danger, next chapter we read about the cubs, means lions baby, we discuss about the curves in the next chapter. So hope you all are understand about the olive ridley turtle. They are very punctual. They have stuck on their timetable, and they came across on seashore, leave the sea, and came across a seashore about 2 kilometers to the of the beach, and doing mass nesting in a very large scale around 7 lakh. In 2016 it's came around 7 lakh 90,000 olive ridley turtle, and lay their egg. Hope you all are understand about this chapter. If you have any query, if you not understand this chapter, then please message me on my personal window. Okay.